Hello everyone, friends! On the edge of a cliff. Today I'll show you how to download and install complementary shaders for Minecraft. For this, I'm opening my browser. First, we need the shaders themselves. Let's search for complementary shaders for Minecraft. We go to the Forge website. I'm also opening Optifine, yes. Here we click on Files. I'll be using version 1.2, 1.4, yes. Of course, you can use any other version. Let's download it. Now we go to Optifine. Downloading for 21.4. Select the latest version. Done. Now we click Skip, then Download. That's it. We don't need to download anything else. Now we have two files. Next, let's open Minecraft Launcher. Click on Installations, then New Installation. If you can select Forge here, what do you choose? If you don't have Forge, you'll need to search for Minecraft Forge in your browser, or you can do it through Optifine. Select it here. After that, select what we've created. Click on the folder and put our Optifine in the mods folder. And put our shaders in the shader packs folder. There. Now launch the game and select the shaders. Goodbye everyone.